Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see butter chicken recipe, the most loved recipe. The ingredients needed for this are chicken 200 grams, pepper powder, garam masala powder, red chilli powder and turmeric powder, along with curd, Kasuri methi, ginger garlic paste and finely chopped garlic. In a big bowl, transfer the boneless chicken pieces that have been already cleaned and washed with turmeric and salt. Add half cup curd, thick curd or hung curd, no water please. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi, now I am going to add half teaspoon of salt. Don't add more salt, the taste wouldn't be that good in the gravy. Add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. It's homemade, so don't add more if it is homemade. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. We'll be adding chilli powder for tomato puree, so this will give a good color for the butter chicken. Mix it thoroughly. After mixing, you will be adding without water itself it is mixed well. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now we'll be leaving it to marinate for hours, maybe for overnight. Yeah, refrigerated overnight. And getting ready for the puree. We need green chilies, Kashmiri chilli powder, clove, cardamoms and finely chopped ginger and garlic, along with 6 to 7 chopped tomatoes. If it is bigger, you can take 5 tomatoes. In a pan, heat 2 cups of water. Add the cloves, cardamoms, just 3, not more than that. Add chopped ginger and garlic. These are roughly chopped because we are going to blend them together after boiling them. Add the roughly chopped green chilies also. Now I am going to add the chopped tomatoes. It and add 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. In the chicken also we have added little chilli powder and Kashmiri chilli powder. Here also the same, we will be adding both the powders. Stir it well. Cook it for 15 minutes. Closing it with a lid. Once it boils and cools, blend it to get the tomato puree. The ingredients needed for the next set is methi leaves, tandoori masala, red chilli powder and ginger garlic paste. Now dry roast the kasuri methi. You can take 1 full tablespoon and dry roast it and crush it and keep it aside. This will be adding at the later stage into the butter chicken. You can crush it with your hand. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. This is for the chicken to cook. You can add less oil if you want, depends upon the pieces. add the marinated chicken pieces into the hot pan. I made small pieces so that it cooks faster. It should become tender. So close it and cook it. You need not add anything. Just the marination is fine for that. So cook for 10 to 15 minutes. And keep the chicken pieces aside. You can reuse the same pan. If little oil is there, you can have it. Now to make it soft, I have added half teaspoon of vinegar after it has got fully cooked. Check if it is not cooked, you can leave it for another 5 minutes. It depends upon the size of the chicken pieces you are using for the butter chicken. Maximum it takes 10 to 15 minutes. Now I emptied the pan and using it for the butter chicken masala. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now into it, after heating, adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, sauteing it till the raw smell goes. This is the important part. Ginger smell should never be there in any of the dish we are doing. So saute till the raw smell goes. Then add the Kashmiri chilli powder. 1 teaspoon I am adding it. And sauteing it so that it is fully cooked. I have taken 1 handful of cashews in a hot water. I'll be making it as a paste and using it at the end. And 1 teaspoon of butter also. Now the puree which we have pulled is blended and I'm filtering it and keeping it aside. See how it is finely blended and it looks yummy. So now into this pan I am transferring the tomato puree. So almost everything is cooked. This is just the mixing process and making it aromatic and cook further. Just cook for 5 to 7 minutes so that it becomes thicker. See, it has become thick. Add the fried crushed Methi leaves now. And the cashew has been ground and got it into a paste, and I am transferring that also into the pan. And the butter, 2 tablespoons of butter. If you want to reduce the butter, you can reduce, because the cashew gives a thick consistency and the color. As I said, 1 teaspoon also you can use. If you are not health conscious, you can use 2 tablespoons. Mix it and cook it. Add a pinch of salt now. Already chicken we have added, and now we are going to add salt. See the taste and add accordingly. Now for the butter masala, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you want, you can reduce the sugar to 1 tablespoon also. And finally add the cooked chicken pieces and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. At the end, we'll be using the 1 teaspoon of cashew paste to give the final touch. Now it is almost ready. I can see it. The butter chicken is ready.
If you like the video, smash the like button, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. See you soon.